Quite a big, oh, there you go, shit on. The end of day 7, so as you can see, quite a big, oh, there you go, shit on. Anyways, keep rolling. So as you can see, quite a big change. We've got all of the kales in, come this way. Well, we haven't got all of them, but we've got a big chunk of them in, all the way down here. And we've got our cuts in, over here. And then we'll go this way, So, we've managed to get the corner in. So, ready for a nice straight line tomorrow now. You could say it's luck, you could say it's skill. But we've started there, got all the way at the end, no cuts, fits perfect, just how I planned it. So tomorrow we'll get all this patio area in. The front is pretty much the same, so we won't even bother going around there. But yeah, big progress. We had the lads from Joseph Parr's come. That was really nice. They come and took a look at the project, and if you actually look back at the first video we did with them, there has been massive change. When you're here every day like we've been, you don't notice it, but a lot has changed in the last 5 days. So that's where we are. Tomorrow we are hopeful we're going to get the vast majority of this in. Friday should have the full lot finished. Monday base bound.